If I can share with you another one of the most amazing transformational pieces of advice for something that has changed the way I do business, it's by getting out of my office prison and getting myself up on the cloud. Now, when I had an office, now even if this is an office in your spare room, it doesn't matter where you're at in business, if you are depending on the computer that's sat on your desk for your files and your documents, if you're depending on the paperwork that's in the drawers or on the shelves around you, you are a prisoner. You are simply, you've moved to yet another box that you've confined yourself in. When you're an authority in your field, you may have to travel a fair bit, and you cannot put your business on hold because you're out of that room, you're out of that office. You need to be able to run your business essentially from your mobile phone. If you can do that, you are going to be absolutely unstoppable. Now, this picture here is now what my office is. I actually closed my office down earlier in this year, and I moved to the cloud. So I actually moved to the Google platform, which has allowed me to run all of my documents, all of my team collaboration, has allowed me to match and mix in tons of different apps with my emails, with all of my different software. It's just been absolutely fantastic. This is actually the Gili Islands in Indonesia, and wow, it proved to me when I did this trip just after I closed the office down that I could in fact run my business from my phone, and this is what you can be doing as well. So the Google platform, like I say, has tons and tons of different apps and pieces of software that all connect together, that all talk to each other, which means that you can multitask lots and lots of different projects without having tons of different systems in place, without being confined to a computer. And as much as I don't condone people losing their jobs, this has actually enabled me to get rid of lots of my staff, and the internet does it all for me. And this particular platform costs me $25 a month instead of the thousands of dollars a month that I was paying in staff wages for all of the little jobs that this has now replaced. It's great. So highly recommend that you get yourself onto the Google platform. Now, you can do that yourself for free. You can do that just by watching some Google or YouTube tutorial videos. I do also have a course on productivity and automation where I talk a lot more about how to do that. So do have a sneak peek if you'd like to get yourself free and working on the cloud productively as well.